Speak the future. Kotoba camp.
Recover.
Recover.
To get back something lost or spent. To return to a normal state.
恢复、找回、康复、复原。
After the economic downturn, it took years for the region to recover its financial stability. Many ecosystems struggle to recover after severe natural disasters like hurricanes.
Some species can recover quickly from population declines if their habitats are preserved.
I believe communities can recover from setbacks with proper support and resources.
It's crucial to help economies recover by investing in sustainable development projects.
Recovery.
Recovery.
After the flood, the recovery of the small town took several months of coordinated effort. Recovered.
Recovered. The recovered artifacts from the ancient site provided new insights into past civilizations.
Restore, regain, retrieve, recoup.
恢复、重新获得、取回、补偿。
Lose, forfeit, surrender, relinquish.
失去、丧失、交出、放弃。
Region.
Region.
A specific area or part of a country, world, or body. A large area with particular characteristics.
地区、区域、范围。
The coastal region of the country is known for its diverse marine life and unique ecosystems. This region of the desert experiences extreme temperature fluctuations between day and night.
The northern region faces challenges due to limited access to freshwater resources.
I think preserving the cultural heritage of every region is vital for global diversity.
Efforts should focus on sustainable growth in underdeveloped regions to reduce inequality.
Regional.
Regional.
The regional cuisine reflects centuries of trade and interaction with neighboring areas. Regionally.
Regionally. Economic policies are often applied regionally to address local needs more effectively.
Area, territory, zone, district.
地区、领土、区域、地带。
Whole, entirety, total, aggregate.
整体、全部、总和、合计。
Regular.
Regular.
Happening or done often, at fixed times. Following a pattern or standard.
定期的、经常的、规则的、标准的。
The museum holds regular exhibitions to showcase contemporary art from around the world. Birds in this ecosystem follow a regular migration pattern influenced by seasonal changes.
The team conducts regular assessments to monitor the progress of environmental initiatives.
I find that maintaining a regular schedule helps in achieving long-term academic goals.
It's important to establish regular communication to ensure teamwork across different departments.
Regularity.
Regularity.
The regularity of weather patterns in this area aids farmers in planning their crop cycles. Regularly.
Regularly. Volunteers meet regularly to discuss strategies for improving community welfare programs.
Consistent, routine, standard, habitual.
一致的、例行的、标准的、习惯性的。
Irregular, sporadic, erratic, inconsistent.
不规则的、零星的、反复无常的、不一致的。
Release.
Release.
To allow something to be free, available, or public. To let go of something, the act of making something available or setting it free.
释放、公开、解除、发行。
The organization decided to release a detailed report on the impact of deforestation last month. Certain fish species release chemicals into the water to communicate with others in their group.
After years of captivity, the rehabilitated animals were ready for release into their natural habitat.
I believe government should release accurate data to inform citizens about environmental issues.
Releasing innovative solutions can significantly improve access to clean energy in remote areas.
Released.
Released.
The newly released documentary highlights the challenges faced by endangered species. Releasing.
Releasing. Releasing captive birds requires careful planning to ensure their survival in the wild.
Free, liberate, discharge, unveil.
释放、解放、解除、揭露。
Detain, restrain, conceal, withhold.
拘留、限制、隐藏、扣押。
Remain.
Remain.
To stay in the same place or condition. To continue to exist or be left.
保持、留下、继续存在。
Despite technological advances, many ancient traditions remain vital in modern societies. Many species remain vulnerable to habitat loss even with conservation efforts in place.
After the storm, only a few structures remain standing in the affected coastal area.
I think it's crucial to remain focused on sustainable practices for long-term benefits.
Even with new policies, challenges remain in ensuring equitable access to education globally.
Remainder.
Remainder.
The remainder of the budget will be allocated to improving public transportation systems. Remaining.
Remaining. The remaining artifacts from the excavation offer clues about early human settlements.
Stay, persist, endure, linger.
停留、持续、忍受、徘徊。
Depart, vanish, disappear, fade.
离开、消失、不见、褪色。
Remote.
Remote.
Far away in distance or time, isolated or not closely connected. A device for controlling something from a distance.
遥远的、偏远的、孤立的、疏远的。
The expedition team traveled to a remote island to study its unique biodiversity. This remote mountain range has preserved ancient ecosystems due to its inaccessibility.
Satellites provide crucial data about weather patterns in remote regions of the planet.
I believe studying remote cultures can offer valuable insights into human adaptability.
Exploring remote areas for renewable energy sources could address global power shortages.
Remotely.
Remotely.
The team monitored the experiment remotely to ensure safety during volatile reactions. Remoteness.
Remoteness. The remoteness of the village made it difficult to deliver essential medical supplies.
Distant, far away, isolated, secluded.
遥远的、远离的、孤立的、隐秘的。
Near, close, adjacent, proximate.
靠近的、接近的、毗邻的、近似的。
Renew.
Renew.
To make something new again. To start again, or continue after a pause. To extend the period of something.
更新、重新开始、延长、续期。
The City Council voted to renew the contract for public transportation services for another 5 years. Many organizations renew their commitment to environmental protection through annual campaigns.
After a long hiatus, the tradition of community festivals will renew this summer with great enthusiasm.
I think it's essential to renew efforts in promoting global awareness of climate change impacts.
Governments should renew policies to support renewable energy adoption in urban planning.
Renewal.
Renewal.
The renewal of ancient irrigation systems has improved agricultural output in arid regions. Renewed.
Renewed. There is renewed interest in preserving historical landmarks due to recent cultural movements.
Revive, restore, refresh, rejuvenate.
复活、恢复、更新、返老还童。
Abandon, discontinue, neglect, terminate.
放弃、中断、忽视、终止。
Replace.
Replace.
To take the place of something or someone. To put something new in the place of something old or damaged.
取代、替换、更新。
The museum decided to replace the outdated exhibit with a more interactive display to attract visitors. Factories often replace old machinery with automated systems to increase production efficiency.
Due to wear and tear, the bridges worn out components needed to be replaced for safety reasons.
I believe it's vital to replace harmful practices with sustainable alternatives for future generations.
Urban planners aim to replace concrete structures with green spaces to improve air quality.
Replacement.
Replacement.
The replacement of traditional energy sources with solar power is gaining momentum globally. Replaceable.
Replaceable. Many components in modern devices are not easily replaceable, leading to increased electronic waste.
substitute, exchange, supersede, displace.
替代、交换、取代、移位。
retain, keep, maintain, preserve.
保留、保持、维持、保存。
Report.
report.
To give a formal or official account of something. To inform someone about an event or situation, a written or spoken description of an event, situation, or findings.
报告、汇报、报告书、报道。
The committee will report their findings on urban development challenges at the annual conference. Scientists often report significant breakthroughs in renewable energy technologies at global summits.
After the expedition, the team had to report detailed observations about the Arctic ice melt patterns.
I think it's important to report accurate data on climate change to influence policy decisions effectively.
Companies must report their environmental impact annually to comply with international regulations.
Reporter.
Reporter.
A skilled reporter uncovered hidden issues in the supply chain of rare earth minerals. Reporting.
Reporting. Accurate reporting of economic trends helps policymakers address inflation effectively.
Inform, notify, announce, disclose.
通知、告知、宣布、透露。
Conceal, hide, suppress, withhold.
隐藏、掩盖、压制、扣留。
Request.
Request.
To ask for something politely or formally, the act of asking for something. Something that is asked for.
请求、要求、申请、需求。
The organization had to request additional funding to complete the conservation project in the wetlands. Local communities often request better infrastructure to support sustainable agricultural practices.
During the meeting, several members will request clarification on the new environmental policies.
I believe it's reasonable to request more transparency in how environmental data is collected and shared.
Universities should request feedback from students to improve online learning platforms effectively.
Requester.
Requester.
The requester of the grant provided a detailed proposal for marine biodiversity research. Requesting.
Requesting. Requesting international cooperation is vital for addressing global water scarcity issues.
Ask, demand, solicit, seek.
请求、要求、征求、寻求。
Deny, refuse, reject, decline.
拒绝、否认、驳回、婉拒。
Well done! Take a break and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's keep our learning motivation fresh.
One language sets you in a corridor for life. 2 languages open every door along the way.